Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be sharing a tip on how you can be more productive and make the best use of your time. Nowadays, we have distractions everywhere, like our phones that keep buzzing with hundreds of notifications every day, such as emails, messages, and all the happening sensational gossip on social media. These distractions tend to pull our attention away, devour our time, and cause us to end up procrastinating. So this tip will help you in getting more done in less time. Here's how. You will break your work or study time into chunks of 45 minutes. So you're going to set a timer for 45 minutes, and during that time you will not attend to any other task other than the task you have at hand. And that means no phone calls, unless the phone calls are pertaining to the task you have at hand or they're urgent phone calls, no messages, no social media, nothing at all. In fact, during your 45-minute time, close your email accounts and messaging apps, and put your phone on silent and turn off all your notifications. Come on, you can do this. It's only for 45 minutes at a time. This 45-minute timer will help you in keeping you on track, allowing you to divide your time between each individual task that requires your attention during the day. It will also prevent you from going overboard with your use of time on that task, causing you to make the best use of your time. A running timer will also give your brain a gentle push, causing your brain to work faster with more focus and efficiency. Also, by telling yourself that you want to achieve a short goal before the 45-minute timer ends, your brain will work effortlessly faster and will make it happen for you in the most time-effective manner. Well, that's because the brain works best in shorter periods of time rather than endless hours of jam-packed schedule. And when you do force it to work endlessly, it tends to wander off into dreamland more often than you would like it to. A useful application that can help you achieve this, and I use this myself as well, is called the Forest app. And this app is specifically designed to assist you in focusing and fighting distractions.
So when you go into the application, you can set a timer for as long as you like, but it is recommended that for optimal brain performance, you set a timer for 45 minutes and work for 45 minutes in a stretch. So once we set the timer for 45 minutes, and once the timer starts, a seed is planted and it starts to flourish into a tree. Now, it's going to give you 10 seconds in case you want to cancel the timer and not start your work session. But once the 10 seconds are over, then if you try to exit the application to use your phone between your running timer, it's gonna give you a notification that your tree will die if you do not get back to your work session and continue working. If you do in between your running timer decide to not work anymore, the tree is gonna die and it's gonna be recorded in your log.
So it makes for a good incentive for you to keep working for those 45 minutes undisturbed and help you in fighting off the distractions that hinder your productivity. So this is an amazing app. You can use this app or any other timer will work just as fine. Also, when one 45-minute session of work is over, get up from your desk for 5 minutes. Have a glass of water, stretch a little, and come back to your desk feeling refreshed and ready for another 45-minute session of focused and productive work. That is all for today. I will see you all in my next video, and until then, be happy and be joyful.